And you know what? I'm glad. I'm happy over here in Carolina, and that's why I was willing to come back over here, and I wanted it to come back. And right now, I'm happy to be a part of Canes again, and excited about a new season.
Harry, what's the process like when you get accustomed, when you get to know a new coach and they get to know you? What's that process like?
You know what? Like everyone has a fresh start, and we all will try to improve ourselves and show him where we are, where we fit in our team, and that's all. That's what matters to him and to us because you know what? It's I think we have such a good group of guys in the locker room, and hopefully we will put it together as we will need to win the games. We have to make the lines right, and you know what? I think, like I said, we have such a good core of people in the locker room, and it's all about how we play together and how we get imagined by the coach.
Is there kind of a pressure on this team to get back into the playoffs? I mean, is that kind of what you measure this season with?
Definitely, there's always pressure. Like we all wanted to be in playoffs. You know, it's not fun training 4 months in the off season, and you want to play. That's the fun part of hockey life or hockey career, and we all want to be playing till middle of June, and you know what, we will try to get back on track, and hopefully we will get a good start into the season because it's always important. You don't want to start in a bad way, and hopefully we get it going right from the start.